Hey guys, it's Metro, and today we're going to be talking about 5 tips on how you can deal with ticks. So let's keep moving. Alright, so if you're new to this channel, make sure you put a comment down below, as I'd like to hear your feedback on this video. And if you are new to this channel, consider hitting the subscribe button if you're into gear reviews and weekly hiking videos, because that is exactly what you'll find on this channel. Hit the notification bell for those updates every single week. Okay, so as you head into the backcountry, one of the easiest things that you can do is to create a barrier. Make sure you tuck your pants inside of your socks, again, creating a barrier around your ankles, as well as tucking your shirt inside of your pants or shorts. This is a nice way to create a barrier to make sure if ticks do get on you, they're not going to get into areas closer to your body. In regards to clothing, if you wear lighter clothing, you're going to be more likely to spot the ticks if they do get on you, especially as you're crossing through high grassy areas. So wearing lighter clothing is a nice way to identify ticks if they get on your body. Okay, so this might sound like a no-brainer, but bug spray, bug repellent, that is crucial, especially during the warmer months, to keep ticks off of you. So there are products like this aerosol product you see here off. It works great. Just make sure you spray your skin and any exposed area that might be exposed to the elements. Another precaution that you might be interested in using is DEET. DEET, the more concentrated it is, the more likely it's going to help repel ticks. So if you are not sensitive to these types of products, make sure you apply this to your body, using it sparingly, but it will work a lot better than, say, this aerosol product like off. If you want to take it to the next level, which I encourage, especially if you're doing any type of backpacking, any type of camping in the wilderness, what I recommend doing is getting a product like premetherin and spraying not only your shoes, your socks, your pants, your shorts, your shirts, your gear, everything that's going to be taken out into the backcountry. Give it a nice spray over and let it dry. Do not wear these products while they are wet, as your skin may be sensitive to these products, but more importantly, you may absorb some of this into your body. So make sure when you are treating your gear with premetherin, you let it dry accordingly. Alright, so I have sprayed down most of my gear here pretty well with premetherin. I think I've gone over a couple of these pieces a couple times. Either way, it's been coated, so I'm going to let it dry out here, and I'll come back when it's all ready, and I'm going to pack it all up and get ready for the next hike. Let's keep moving. One of the most crucial things that you can do is to check your body, not only in the areas that you can see, but areas that you commonly would maybe not check, like the backs of your knees, in your armpits, around your waistline, in your groin, around your neck, and in your hair. Ticks love these areas because, one, they're away from places where they might be spotted, and they can latch on and could be there for a long period of time before it actually becomes a nuisance to you and you discover it. So not only are you checking these areas, make sure you have a partner, look over your body to make sure you don't have any ticks in any hidden areas. Now, in the event you do find a tick and it has latched onto your body, simply grab some tweezers, grab the tick, and pull it away from your body. Do not treat the tick with a solvent or any type of medication while the tick is attached to your body, because if you do, it may aggravate the tick, and the tick might actually end up throwing up into your body. That would transfer anything or any type of diseases inside of the tick inside of you. So if you do find a tick bite, simply grab some tweezers, grab the tick, pull it away from your body, and that is a nice way to prevent anything that's inside of the tick from transferring inside of you. So if you found any value in this video, please hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, and send me your comments, as I do respond. As always, thanks for watching, but until next time, let's keep moving.